little red door here. Story problems. And we are talking specifically about adding and subtracting ones. Adding and subtracting. But our beloved book, in its infinite wisdom, tries to get you to think about these in a little different way. It's a little like learning the basics before you get to the really super hard stuff. So hopefully this isn't an insult to your intelligence. When you talk about an adding story problem, the book wants you to think about this as what we call combining, because that's what adding really is. You combine something, 5 people went to the store, and then 10 more people went to the store. You're combining them to get 15 people going to the store. And guess what then? If adding is combining, for you farmers out there, subtracting would be, for not combining in your, Trevor?
Splitting.
Splitting, but the book, it's the same word for splitting, it's called separating. So you will know when the book says write a combining problem or a separating problem, you will know the difference between that. And then they give you the pattern for these. The pattern. And adding pattern would look like this. I can't use, don't use equal sign, that would just mess it up. But yeah, it is this. If you have an adding problem, you start with some, and then you add some more, and you get a total. Now, who thinks they can guess what the pattern for the separating problem would be? Instead of having some, adding some more, and you getting a total, the pattern that you are looking for with the subtraction problem would be, Victoria says?
Some.
Yeah, so I'll tell you what, I'm going to ignore that. What comes after some? What would you say after some?
Some more.
No, that would be,
less.
More means you're adding. Yeah, some less, actually it's taking away. Some went away. And what would you say that equals?
Total.
Well, it would equal what you have left. I guess we could say this. Let's say the beginning is the starting amount. What you start with minus something that goes away gives you what you have left. Those are the two patterns. We also call those, ladies and gentlemen, equations. Welcome to the world of algebra kind of thing. What makes something an equation? Anybody know? Don't overthink this, and then just think about what words in equations I think you'll come up with something. Frankie?
Maybe 2, 3 numbers.
You could have more than 3 numbers.
Well, like.
Actually, you could have 2 numbers too, I suppose, technically. Give you a little clue here, people. 6th graders, take a look here. What word do you see in the word equation? Kelly? Equate or equal. So guess what an equation is? Something that has equal signs in it. See, this had equal signs here. This had equal signs here. When you did 5 plus 7 is 12, that's an equation. 5 plus 7 equals 12. If you have the word an equal in there, you can make equations. Sometimes we have to solve equations because there's missing stuff, and other times we just see the equation and it's right there. Now, let us look at some example problems here and see if you can make the mental jump on this one here. Let me find a good one here. Oh, I don't know if I like that problem. I'm going to find a better one. When Tim finished page 129 of a 314-page book, when Tim finished page, I don't remember what I said, but I'm gonna write it down. When Tim finished page 129 of a 314-page book, 129 of a 314-page book, comma, what's the question they ask us? How many pages did he still have to read? Why is this doing this? How many pages did he still have to read? How many pages did he still have to read? How many pages did he still have to read? Now, the question is this. Is this having some, adding some more, getting a total? Or is this you have a beginning thing, you're taking some away and you have some that are left? Is it combining in the case of answer, or is it separating? Are you adding something to the book, or are you separating something there? And right, so you would think about, you start with what you started with, minus how many went away, which they actually didn't go away, but they're what they read, and you get what's left. So how many pages did the book start out with? What were we started? How many did you start having to read? 314, right? How many went away then? Addie? 129, and then they're asking you for what's left. And in this case, it's a pretty easy problem because you just do the subtraction. But I'm going to give you one where it's not going to be quite so easy. 185 pages were the ones that were left. Are we ready for a tougher one? Ah, you see yes.
Yes. No.
Yes.
Yes. No.
Here we go. Ready?
No.
Colton's football team. What's your favorite football team, Colton? You got one? The Bears.
Good.
That's like the trashies.
Yeah, well,
That's not a word, Colin. Trashies offense.
well, this one be the Bears
Trashy
because
is not a word.
it scored 19 points in the first half. Bears may not score 19 points all year
Their offense sucks.
in the first half. Colton's football team scored 19 points in the first half, and 42 points by the end of the game.
Yeah.
And 42 points by the end of the game. How many points did they score in the second half? Question mark. If, and again, the answer to me is not quite as important as how you get the answer, you think about in terms of pattern. Is this, do you have some points and you're adding some more points to it to get a total, or do you start with a bunch of points, take some points away, and get what's left? What type of pattern would this be? You take first half points, add second half points, you get a total number of points, and you start with the total points in the game and subtract some that will go away and do whatever. Which one of those patterns would that be? Is it some and some more, or is it you're starting minus what went away, give you your final thing? Victoria?
Separating?
I would say no. Aren't you starting with first half points plus second half points gives you total points of the game? Now, you could make a case that you're separating the game into two halves, but in this case here, I'm saying you start off with some points, which would be the first half, and you have some more points, which is the second half, and you get the total number of points for the game. This would be how now you could think of it the other way. You're probably still going to get the right answer, but I think this is a combining first half points with second half points. Now, what happens in this is this. We know the first half points, right, which is 19. We don't know how many points we scored in the second half, but we know how many total points we scored, which was 42. Here is your equation. And then how would I solve that? Just because it's an addition type of problem doesn't mean you add to solve it, because, Colton, you have to... What's that?
Think of an easier problem.
Yeah, think of an easier problem. 6 plus 2 is 8. If I'm missing this 2, what do I do with 6 and 8 to get that? Subtract. So you're going to take 42 minus 19, and hopefully you get 23 points. How do you score 23 points in football? Somebody, how could you get 23 points? A safety and 3 touchdowns? Is that what you're going to say?
3 touchdowns.
Trevor?
3 touchdowns.
7 field goals and a safety. Can you get it somewhere without? Do you have to miss an extra point? Do you have to go for 2? Trevor, what would happen?
So you make 3 touchdowns, but you miss 1 extra point, and then you kick a field goal.
Yeah, 2 7s, a 6, and a 3. Which one is more likely? A safety or a field goal? Max, what?
So I was thinking another one. So 3 touchdowns and then go for it. Because you have 21 and then 20.
Well, 3 touchdowns and a go for it would only give you 22, right?
Oh, yeah.
Because 2 touchdowns would give you 7, and then the other one would give you 8.
I'm going to go for it.
That's 22. You'd have to go 1 touchdown and 2 go for it to give you that.
No.
Go for 2 instead of go for 2. Which one do you think is the most likely situation? Safeties don't happen very often.
Well, with the Bears' defense.
Yes, because the defense better be their only offense, because we know they don't have any offense right now.
A coach back and he can